Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create Instagram live rooms. Firstly, get up by clicking on the plus icon on your right upper side, then go for the last selection, live. Go for the live session, go get the live connection on it. Here you're gonna check out, and now you're on live section. Now what you need to do, you need just simply by clicking on the three dots right down beside add a comment, click on it, and here you can find out a session which could be related on that section. Now what you need to do, as you can see here right down, you have that option by creating rooms. Click on that plus option. Here, as you can see, when someone joins, anyone can see the live videos, can also watch this one. Here you can get up and add or invite friends, just followed by you, and with that you're gonna create that room. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.